I'm Dutchess.
I'm Mimi, and we're Dutchess and
Mimi.
Mimi. We're glad to have you here. We've got a lot of fun things going on this spring.
Right, and this is Art Walk season, so if you come down to Art Walk the first Thursday of the month, be sure and swing through. We always have new things, and we're always rearranging.
Oh yes, that's the fun part. And also Art Walk is a fun night, and we give free samples, and you can walk around and look at all the different things.
When you come in looking for your home, don't rule out your office, because we do a lot of offices also. This morning we just spent time working on a chandelier in a brand new office space that we've been working on for several months.
Yeah, we help them pick out the colors. You know, that's a hard thing to do, pick up the colors for everything from the inside to the outside. And flooring, we can, you know, help put everything together for you to make it all cohesive for your new business.
Right, and then we come in and do the details once the building is done. So this is a project we're working on for the next couple of weeks.
Even if you need just a facelift in your business, you know, changing the artwork out is in florals or just a little touch of Dutchess and Mimi could make your office a lot nicer.
I always say, now, if your office looks dated, when you have clients coming in, what are they going to think about you and your education? You know, are you keeping up on your education? Are you on top of the game of whatever your career is? So you need to have your surroundings reflect you and how up to date and with it you are to help your clients.
Okay, enough about the business. Roberta, tell me about your new fragrance.
Well,
Our new fragrance.
Well, our Dutchess and Mimi fragrance that we launched last month has been a big success. It's fresh, it's inviting to male, female, everyone has really enjoyed that fragrance. And it's called our Dutchess and Mimi signature scent. Well, this month I'm launching my fragrance, which is Dutchess and Pearls. I don't know why. I love pearls.
Take a look.
But it's a whole different fragrance. Think if you're walking into a beautiful, dark academia library or a high-end lodge that you're walking into. It has really warm notes, it's cozy, it's almost a little smoky smell. It's the fragrances that I like, so that's why we put together this fragrance with my name on it, and we're really proud of it. So next month she'll be launching hers, but come in this month and see our Dutchess and Mimi fragrance and also Dutchess and Pearls. And we'll have diffusers, candles, hand wash, and all of our new fragrances. I'm Dutchess.
I'm Mimi, and we're Dutchess and Mimi.
Made with heart
and crowned with love.